Hey guys, in today's tutorial we are going to see about a beautiful crochet cord pattern, so which you can use it for your handbags or any crochet wired bags. So let's see how to make this pattern. And I'm happy to welcome you to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates on the crochet patterns. So all we need for this crochet cord is an acrylic yarn or any cotton yarn and the crochet hook which is suitable for the yarn. Here I'm taking a 2.5 mm crochet hook and an acrylic yarn. We would also need a scissor at the end of this crochet pattern. So let's get started with the cord. So first take the tail end of the yarn and bring it around your index finger and hold the control via the little finger and make a slip stitch. So if you're a beginner, I would recommend you to watch some of the basic tutorial from my channel. It will be helpful for you. So once the slip stitch is done, continue to make 7 chain stitches. So 7 chain stitches are done. So after that, skip the first chain and insert the hook into the second chain, pull through the chain and yarn over and pull through the 2 loops to form a single crochet. So we just created one single crochet and continue to do single crochet in the remaining 5 chain stitches. So in total we should have 6 single crochet in the first round. So we have completed 6 single crochet and make a chain 1, flip the pattern and insert the hook into the first chain and create a single crochet, and into the second chain space create another single crochet and continue to do all through this round till the end to make 6 single crochet. So make chain 1 and flip. So we are at the third round here. Insert the single crochet into the first chain. So we have to repeat the same pattern until we are done with 5 such rows. So I'll meet you at the end of the 5th row. So here I have completed 5 rows and I'm gonna start working the spiral cord pattern from this point. So for that, insert the hook into the first chain of the current row, like where we started. That is the end of this chain, and make a single crochet there. And for the next single crochet, instead of inserting into the chain, we have to insert into the base of the chain. So see here we have this next chain, right? So at the base we have 2 stitches like in the shape of V. If you see it very closely, you have 2 stitches. So in that we have to take the base stitch, the below one, not the above one. So and then create a single crochet in that, the below stitch. So I'm going to show you again. So for the next single crochet, find the next chain space available. So that is the next chain space, and in the base of the chain we have two links in the shape of V. So we have to find that V and then take the base link. There are 2 links to the chain, so you have to take the base link and then yarn over, pull through and yarn over, pull through to form the single crochet. So this is going to help us with the spiral shape of the cord. So we'll see it again. So for the next chain, insert into the base loop and then create the single crochet. Similarly, this is the next chain. We have to insert into the base loop. There are 2 strands, right? So the base one. So find the next chain space and The out of the two strands in V shape, pick the base one and make a single crochet. So we have completed one round. So continue to do this pattern till as much as height you would want for the handle, and the same pattern we have to continue. I have completed about 2 inches long, and I'm gonna continue to do for even more inches, so that it just suits the bag as handle. You can see here the spiral cord has taken its shape very beautifully as you crochet through the loops. So I have completed about 6 inches long cord, and I'm going to show you how to end this pattern. So that is, we have to repeat the same single crochet, 6 sets of single crochet to end this handle pattern. So for that, make chain 1, and then you have to flip the pattern, then make a single crochet in the first chain space. So one single crochet is done. Next we have to make another single crochet in the next chain space. This is second single crochet, third single crochet. In total we should be having 6 single crochet in one row, because we started with 6, right? Then make chain 1, and then flip the pattern and create a single crochet. Then create another single crochet into the next chain space. So continue to do this for this round, and then this is the second round we are currently working on. So similarly we have to make 3 more rows. So once we are done with a row, make chain 1, flip, and make 6 single crochet. So this is the pattern we have to repeat till we are done with 5 rows. 5 single crochet rows have been completed. So the end pattern looks similar to the beginning pattern, right? So this completes the handle for a bag. As you can see, the spiral shape is like really wonderful. It has come out really well. So what I would suggest is you can try it with a thicker yarn rather than a thin yarn, and the design is going to show up very beautifully. So what you need to do is you have to keep the flat ends of the handle with the bag, and then stitch it. You can either sew it, or using a crochet hook you can stitch it with your bag to give a proper finish. I hope this video is useful for you. Please share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.